Hello guys, and in this lecture I'll be showing you how to generate a random word with a random definition in Python. So first of all, we're going to import the random library, and then we are also going to import random words, which we have been working with inside of our previous tutorials. So now I also have to import PyDictionary so we can find the definition of the word that we are the random word that we are generating. So I'm going to import PyDictionary, and we're going to set dictionary equals to PyDictionary, and RW for random words equals random words. So as you can see, we're just incorporating all of the things that we've been learning in the previous lectures into this one master bot that we're creating. So word equals rw.randomWord. And when we're running this, you're probably going to find that we might have a couple of errors in which the PyDictionary doesn't have a definition for the word that was generated by the random word library. So what we are going to do to handle that, we will be learning in the next lecture. So also next we're going to have definitions equals dictionary. Oh, I spelled that completely wrong. Dictionary dot meaning of word. And we're also going to have part of speech equals random choice. Probably shouldn't have that space there. And then we're going to convert this to a list, and then definitions.keys. So this is basically just taking the dictionary that is created right here for word, it's converting it into a list, all of the different keys, and then it's picking one of the random keys that is inside of that list, and that will be the part of speech. And then we're going to target one of the definitions that it is that part of speech using random.choice, and then definitions index part of speech. So basically what this means is we're getting a random part of speech out of the definitions, and then we're finding the definition, a random definition for the word with that part of speech. So it's getting a random definition of that word. And then we're just going to print out, we're going to use an F string, and then word, and then definition. Oh, this should actually be singular. And then in parentheses at the end, we're just going to have the part of speech. So then now we should be getting the word, the definition of it, and then the part of speech. And we will be having an error sometimes because the PyDictionary doesn't have a meaning for the random word generated. So let's hope we don't have that. So I'm just going to run this file. And the word is pears, and it's an old world tree having sweet, gritty, textured, juicy fruit. And it's the noun definition. We can generate it again. Periods and amount of time, noun. Commissions charged with a task, verb. So now we're going to be using this to create our bot in later tutorials. So I'll see you guys in the next lecture.